Question 191. How do you ensure compliance with regulatory requirements in Azure DevOps? I implement security controls, access restrictions, and audit trails in Azure DevOps to meet regulatory standards like GDPR or HIPAA. I conduct regular compliance assessments, document processes, and enforce policies to protect sensitive data and ensure legal compliance. Question 192. Can you discuss your experience with Azure DevOps boards for project management? I use Azure DevOps boards to plan, track, and prioritize work items in Agile projects. I create user stories, epics, and tasks, assign responsibilities, and visualize progress through dashboards and reports to optimize project delivery and team collaboration. Question 193. How do you approach capacity planning and scalability in Azure DevOps? I analyze usage patterns, performance metrics, and growth forecasts to estimate resource requirements and scale Azure DevOps environments proactively. I leverage auto-scaling, load balancing, and resource optimization techniques to ensure high performance and availability. Question 194. How do you handle environment configuration and deployment in Azure DevOps for multiple stages? I define environment variables, configuration settings, and deployment gates in Azure DevOps release pipelines for different stages like development, testing, and production. I automate environment setup, validate deployments, and ensure consistency across environments. Question 195. Can you explain the concept of blue-green deployment and how you implement it in Azure DevOps? Blue-green deployment is a strategy to release new versions of an application with zero downtime. In Azure DevOps, I create duplicate environments, blue and green, route traffic to the new version, and perform validation before switching traffic to the updated environment. Question 196. How do you monitor and analyze performance metrics in Azure DevOps? I use Azure Monitor, Application Insights, and custom metrics to monitor pipeline performance, application health, and user experience in Azure DevOps. I set up alerts, dashboards, and reports to track key performance indicators, identify bottlenecks, and optimize system performance. Question 197. How do you ensure data integrity and backups in Azure DevOps? I implement data encryption, access controls, and backup policies to protect data stored in Azure DevOps services. I automate backups, test recovery procedures, and maintain data integrity through regular audits and compliance checks to prevent data loss or corruption. Question 198. Can you discuss your experience with Azure DevOps integration with Kubernetes for containerized applications? I integrate Azure DevOps with Kubernetes to automate container deployment, scaling, and management. I create deployment pipelines, Helm charts, and Kubernetes manifests to streamline application delivery, ensure consistency, and leverage cloud-native capabilities for microservices architecture. Question 199. How would you set up a continuous integration pipeline in Azure DevOps for a .NET Core application? To set up a C pipeline for a .NET Core app, I would create a new pipeline, select the appropriate repository, add build tasks like restoring NuGet packages, building the solution, running tests, and publishing artifacts. Question 200. How would you troubleshoot a failing deployment in Azure DevOps? I would start by checking the build logs to identify the issue. I would then examine the deployment tasks, verify configuration settings, and test the deployment locally to pinpoint and resolve the problem. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive. Introducing CloudRoar Cost Optimization, your unified platform for smarter cloud spending across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud costs can grow silently, but CloudRoar gives you full visibility and control. Our engine continuously analyzes usage patterns, instance sizing, and idle resources to uncover hidden savings. With intelligent recommendations powered by real-time data, CloudRoar helps you right-size resources, eliminate waste, and maximize return on every dollar spent in the cloud. Get detailed reports, actionable cost insights, and automation that ensures continuous optimization without compromising performance. Optimize confidently, scale efficiently, and make every cloud dollar count with CloudRoar Cost Optimization. Efficiency meets intelligence. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive.